How to find viral niche on YouTube. So finding a niche on YouTube involves a combination of understanding trends, topics, audience interest, and leveraging specific strategies to maximize the engagement. And here in this video, I'm going to explain you that. The first thing is that identify popular category. Now, there's nothing called niche, right? Niche becomes automatically once you start uploading regarding anything, and eventually it will become a niche, right? But there are some of the popular niche, for example gaming, right, continues to dominate with variety content like gameplays, tutorials, and reviews, right? It's just like a movie, right? You can create thousands of videos, right? And the second thing is that educational and tutorials, right? Do it yourself and craft, health and fitness. So whatever you like, whatever you think that this is a less information or misinformation on YouTube, make a video on it. Or if you have a passion about anything, make a video on it, because definitely it will become into a niche. Now, how to find a viral video, right? Let's say this is a channel, right, and I have installed extension which is called vidIQ, right? And by using a vidIQ, it can show me a multiplier. Right, so as you can see here, this video worked really well. It went 1811x, right? It shows me that the average views this channel get, this video got around 11 times more. This got 25 times more. So something in this, there is a, there's a demand which this video is fulfilling, right? So you can just watch this video and make a similar video in it. Now, don't make a really old video. For example, don't go and choose a 1 year or 2 years old video, because it will not work out. Make sure you choose a video from 1 to 3 months in between, and it can work for you really well, right? So yeah, don't exactly copy word to word, make your own version, add your own information, right? So this is how you can do. So thanks for watching this video.